Welcome to Research Rocks. Oh. In this video we will see one more product unboxing. No, I already make unboxing video of Osmo Pocket 3. In this video I will show you one of the best camera setting for especially DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you purchase this product, so this video is very important for you, which setting is important to create a video as well as capturing the other things. Let's check it out. Osmo tiny screen to settings. This is my Osmo. Currently I recorded here 4K 60 frame per second. If I change the rotation like this, we are recording likewise. So now I will show you how to change the setting. It's very easy. Drag and drop up to down. First of all, here the some of the setting is available. We can go one by one. First of all, this is a profile setting. So I already fixed this one as a C1, like a particular person or use this setting. You can create as a different settings as well, C2, C1, C4, C5 accordingly. So I created here, always I record the video 4K 60 frame per second and resolution point is a 16.9. This is a perfect setting to record any kind of videos. So that's why I select this one. We can go back here. This is the profile. You should create your own profile. Like suppose I create my second profile same as it is. So like second profile is coming here. If you always start, so look at this here, this one is a C profile is showing. We can go back. Next one is a screen rotation and capture. So screen rotation and capture, I always disable this one. If you screen rotate, you enable this one. We can go back. If you enable the setting, you just simply rotate your screen and recording is a start. You can close this one. Next one is a brightness. Select here the brightness. I prefer here like around less than 50%, but I just record the video, so I use 100% brightness, so you can save your battery. Next one is tracking itself. This one is itself is activated. If I start the recording, so now press here twice, so my recording and face ID is a tracking. Look at this here. It's really easy. Automatic tracking option is available, so no need to always enable these features. This one is automatic. Double tap and track the particular object. Here wireless mic. For the creative combo, I already received one DJI mic, mini mic. So that perspective, the setting is here. You should click here and select TX1, TX2. If you have multiple option, so accordingly you decide and then select, but by default is this option is showing here. Now is important setting come here, how to fix the different setting. So look at this here, too many settings is not available, just only 3 options we have available. Resolution point of view 180 pixel, 2.7K and 4K is this one, and frame rate is a different 24, 25, 30, 48, 50 or 60 frame per second. So I personally use here 4K 60 frame per second every recording, and here the resolution is also available 1080, 260 pixel and 3K only, and after that frame rate is the same, not change, but we always go here 16.9 and we receive the 3 options 180, 2.7 and 4K, and that's it. This is the setting. After that you should record very easily and smoothly. Always prefer 4K 60 frame per second. If you really like this setting tips and tricks, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.